Today we're going to show you how to defog your windows quickly and how to prevent it from happening again. Windows become foggy because warm, humid air will condensate on cooler glass. Condensation can form on either the inside or the outside of the glass. It depends on where the warmer air is. If the air on the outside of the car is warmer than the air on the inside of the car, then condensation will form on the outside of the car, and you can use your windshield wipers to wipe it off. Now, if it's warmer on the inside of your car, then the condensation will happen on the inside of your car. So the most effective way to defog the inside of your windshield is to follow these steps here. 1. Turn heat on to full blast, because hot air holds more moisture than cold air. 2. Turn on your defroster to direct airflow to the windows. 3. Turn on the AC to dehumidify the air. 4. Turn off air recirculation to bring in fresh outside air. And 5. Crack open a few windows to remove humid, stagnant air from inside your car. So how do we keep our windows from fogging up in the first place? Well, the first and most important thing to do is to keep your windows clean. Dirt and gunk on windows increases the surface area that moisture can cling to and condensate on. So check out this video to see how you can get your windows crystal clean. Second, we can use kitty litter and a sock to keep humidity down on the inside of your car. All you need to do is put kitty litter in a sock and toss it on your dash. This will absorb the moisture in the air before it has a chance to condensate on your windshield. The final option is to apply an anti-fogging compound to the inside of your windows. In our next video, we will figure out which anti-fogging compound is the best. Thanks for watching Dude, We Can Fix It. Be sure to smash that like button on the way out, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you on the next one.